Hello, and welcome to our channel, guys. Today we'll learn about our brand new AI-powered product, BlipCut Video Translator, an AI tool dedicated to video and audio translations, voice cloning, and text-to-speech and speech-to-text conversions. Let's see this guy in action. But first, let's compare the original video with the translated one. So, this is the original video in English.
Well, I'm trying to do good things, yeah.
And this is the translated version generated with BlipCut.
Estoy tratando de hacer cosas buenas. Quiero decir.
Now, to start with, open your web browser, go to videotranslator.blipcut.com, and sign in to your BlipCut account. Now to translate a video to a different language, click this Try Free Online. Here, you have two options. You can either upload a file from your PC on this My Device tab, or paste the URL of the video on this URL tab. As I already have a short Elon Musk interview downloaded on my hard drive, I'll go to My Device and upload the video. On this window, select the original language in the video from this source language list. Now choose an output language from this target language list. Let's translate it to Spanish. Moving further, choose Instant Voice Clone as it is a conversational video, and click Translate. Now, wait while BlipCut Video Translator analyzes and translates the clip. Here, make any changes to the text BlipCut generated. You can also manipulate the time for precise synchronization. Notice that BlipCut automatically marked the interviewer as Speaker 1, and it will mark the second person as Speaker 2. If required, change the captions in the original language that BlipCut auto-generated, and click this Translate button for instantaneous translation. Optionally, click this Add Card button to insert other dialogues you want in the video. Or, you can put these two dialogues in a single paragraph by clicking this Merge Card button. If something goes wrong, click this Delete button above the card and start over. For hard-coded subs, go to Subtitles and use all these formatting options to decorate the text. Once done, click Apply Changes and wait while BlipCut Video Translator commits the modifications. When done, click this Play button to preview how the video will look after exporting, and click Download if everything looks good. On this box, you can choose to save the video with or without subtitles, only the translated audio, or the subtitles file in either of these formats and languages. Or you can check all these boxes to save everything and click Download. Now, choose a destination folder to download your files and click Save. Go to the destination folder to access the translated elements. And that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something new in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and kill that bell icon to stay updated on all our new posts. See you next time.